Imagine a world where seamless communication transforms chaos into harmony for manufacturers everywhere. ScheduleKey empowers small businesses with a customizable software platform tailored to individual needs. With cloud-based accounting and multi-device accessibility, businesses can manage operations from anywhere, at any time. However, an unexpected challenge arose: the need for integrated communication within the manufacturing process. To address this, ScheduleKey sought a chat solution that eliminated the need for external applications. They partnered with CometChat to develop a robust, tailored chat feature specifically for their clients. CometChat's multi-tenant capabilities enhanced the user experience by providing individualized chat instances for every customer. Voice and video calling were essential, enabling real-time discussions that drive efficiency in manufacturing processes. Moderation tools ensured a secure communication space, with controls over groups, notifications, and user interactions. The collaboration not only improved productivity but also enhanced customer satisfaction, forging lasting loyalty.